Still got a little ways to go before we're all covered, but I'm getting somewhere. So super sticky. Oh, you're gonna go for it, huh? It's like one of those thermal bags to keep your food hot or cold.
Yep.
Cool.
Now I hide the wire in there. Now all I need to do is make some clampy clamps so I can paint this with some real hammered copper spray or something.
Okay.
Or anything you want. And we'll screw it down with some real copper so you won't even know.
Alright.
Gotta figure out what to do with that piece.
Yeah.
I have my the entire bus is not uniform,
No.
so wherever you use this, so this was made out of the front portion of the bus, but it doesn't fit the back portion of the bus.
Right.
So there's no uniformity, but this gets you close.
Yeah. You gotta use the CAD design.
Cardboard assisted design.
Then we gotta figure out these holes.
Drill a hole for the switch. Put a switch in the ceiling. Attach a wire to over to here. Put the switch in the hole, and make a blank plate. Insulate the blank plate. Insulate the light, and put the light, and then blank plate and the light. Just the other hole. Not a big to do.
What do you think, Kitty?
Okay, so what we're doing here is we're putting the light switch in. Instead of making a splice of the ceiling, switch essentially is the splice. So to extend the wire to where I want the light to be, I'm adding a piece of wire, but I am putting the switch in the proximity of where the wire will go. So when the lights are powered continuously, the switch, you can turn the switch on and off to have lights, just like in the house. And these will be 12 volt. So now when I put the hole inside there, right here, so that you can reach it when you come inside, turn the light on, turn the light off. Away. Get a wire to fish. Because the insulation's kind of dense.
It's a thick boy.
It's a thick boy. I really don't want to disturb it.
Try again.
Just don't have the space. I like the switch because it's tried and true. It's old style, not just because it's old style, but because it's robust. It was built when things were built better.
Yeah.
And adjustments. And if it goes up in there, it'll simply be more near the ceiling. Okay.
Good enough.
I just need it to hold well enough to peel the paper off. So still a little bit, I hope.
To the wall. The sweat is dripping down your balls because you look hot. Skeet, skeet. Oh, very nice. It's like an oven. Like a nice solar thermal oven. Getting hotter.
So the next piece is going to be, let's go 20 inches wide for tempting danger. Alright, so that's enough to get the tub in. Stick it, bingo.
You can have it. I don't want it.
Yes, yours. Whenever this is in there, I just kind of like you can change that out. This is just an automotive 12-volt bulb. You put whatever color bulb you want in there, whether it's blue or green or like an LED bulb, that's fine. That's too much.
Probably. Suppose too much is better than not enough.
Yep. And that just makes the well for the light, to be honest. I could put any light kit I want to in there so that, you know, you could get one of those little light kits you can control from your phone, and I could shove it in the hole, and you could be working by the...
Now we just gotta drag this thing in there.
Yep.
Okie dokie, let's let in the mosquitoes. Parts. Always. Focus.
So it needs to go up another block of wood. And this piece here is to go all the way up to that high. I don't know what it does, but I think it's supposed to be like a air suction vent, just in case. All over everything.
There it goes.
somebody's going on a trip.
How'd you get in my bag?